Hi everybody, Lori from BrushFalls Studios. Today I am going to surprise myself by creating something I don't even know what I'm going to create.
Those are always the best.
I have colors, but who knows how this is going to go. So let's go down to the canvas. This is a
10 by 20.
10 by 20. And I've already wet the back of it and have my push pins in and my table set up. So let's go down to the canvas. I'll show you what we're going to do. Sorta. All right, so here I have Blick's titanium white, and with my pouring medium, we're going to use it as a base coat. I have Amsterdam's
Primary Cyan.
Cyan.
Cyan!
I'm going with the minis today. We have Amsterdam's Vermillion. I have Amsterdam Vermillion. Deco Art Cherry Merlot.
Ooh.
Pretty. I like the name. Love me some Merlot. And Apple Barrel's Lime Tree. This is a goner. I just wanted to use that up. But Apple Barrel does create a lot of cells. So we'll see how this goes. Let's just go down and do this. And let's put some music on. Alright guys, so this is more abstract art than anything. I was just playing around. I was using different tools and seeing what I could create. I didn't have a picture or anything in particular that I was going to do. So I just created a basic ocean wave scene with landscaped purples and blues in the background. In this painting, there's a lot of cells that came through, and we have a lot of texture within the waves. It's not, this is not my type of work. It's not my style, I should say, not my style of work. I usually do a lot of things like that. You want to show them what we just did?
Like this one?
Yeah. So here's my light. Can you see that?
Yes.
This is my latest. It's only a 12 by 12, but it's so cute. It's beautiful and stunning.
Beautiful.
And it's almost dry. It's still a little wet in the middle. So don't hate me on this one. This is I feel like this one's not the best of my my abilities, but
Sure it is.
what?
Sure it is.
So husband likes it. So all right, let me know what you think. Don't hate me too much. So I'll talk to you at the next show. Bye.